In today's tutorial, we're learning how to make this really cool image blend effect in Canva, where we have that smooth fade from a color into the image, so we don't have these harsh corners, which is a really nice effect. So I'll teach you exactly how to do that. And we're starting from a blank page. I'm using this poster format. You can use any one that you like. Let's go to elements and here type in woman portrait, just so we have a picture of a woman. Let's see, photos, and then you can select any one that you like. I'm going to choose this one here, so we have quite a large body of the person available, so we can really crop and blend it out. Let's adjust the crop marks and increase it. I'm going to remove the background, so we have no background and just the plain image. And then I'm going to the apps section here on the left and look for Blender. You can find Image Blender here, so you click it, and that will give us the options to blend the image. So we want to look for this Image Blender application, and it will install. Now there's a few ones for free and a few paid ones. I'm going to go for the linear version, the free one, and then you can adjust where you want to have that fade come in. So I'm going to do it like this, and then you can reduce the strength to make it a flat line, or you can increase it or somewhere in between. I'm going to go for somewhere in between, like 50, and that was fine. And then you just press save, and then it will adjust that image. You can always still adjust the crop marks if you need, then make it a bit larger, and then give it a nice background color. So just the background of the canvas. So let's make it purple. This really stands out with that yellow from the picture. And then let's add a nice title. So we do blending. Let's make this yellow and give it a nice font like Montserrat. And we make it extra bold. And then we maybe do one above, which is image. There we go. And you can always give this a different font if you want more of a handwritten font or a brush. Let's see what we can find. I think this one, and if we place it in small letters, image blending, that will look quite nice. I'm going to increase it a little bit, position it nicely, and then just scale it until it fits. And I think this, if we put it on full screen, is a really nice way to blend in your images. So you don't want that hard cut, but you can sort of fade it in with a color if you like. So this is how you do it. So thanks a lot for watching. If you want to learn more about Canva, make sure to check the video on the screen right now.